iCloud login, how to sign into iCloud for data backup and sync. This video guide will cover these contents: iCloud login, how to sign into iCloud / sign out of iCloud. Tips to fix common iCloud login issues. 1. iCloud login, how to sign into iCloud / sign out of iCloud. To do this, access https://www.icloud.com. Hints. 1.1. You may choose sign out of all browsers. 1.2. You may also launch sign out of iCloud on all of your devices at once option. 2. Tips to fix iCloud. Login issues. Tip 1. Check the Apple system status page at https://www.apple.com/support/system status. Tip 2. Ensure you are using the same Apple ID on all of your devices. Tip 3. Ensure you enter the correct Apple ID and password. Note, you may reset your Apple ID password to re-access your problematic account. Tip 4. Restart your device and try to sign into iCloud again. Tip 5. Ensure you are not running out of iCloud storage. See more info at iCloud Plus plans and pricing, https://support.apple.com/n-a/ht201238. Hints. 1. Clear some space in your iCloud account. 2. Change or choose a different iCloud Plus plan. Tip 6. Contact official Apple support.